from Deans to Novaks. These are the Novak connectors. You can see they're round, and they have round connecting ends. This is the male. It's connecting in. This is what they send with it. This is what we have over on the VORZA, the Deans. The old ones, we've been having problems because some of them are mixed with Chinese-made Deans versus the original Deans. And we've had the cars lose power, especially on landings of jumps. So we're converting over to the Novaks. And this is what we've done. This is what we had with some of our Venom batteries. This is a bad one. And this is what we've converted over to. These are the ones that are done so far. And this is one that's converted over also. So that's about it. Our connector conversion.